Good morning students, welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the first chapter, rational numbers. In previous classes already we have discussed about that different properties like closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property of the rational numbers. And today we are going to discuss about that what are the rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Students, one more thing you should remember that there are infinite rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Very careful, once again I will repeat. There are infinite numbers, rational numbers in between two rational numbers. That means suppose 3 by 5, another one is 7 by 2. In this between, how many rational numbers are there? That means if the question it will come, you can find out that infinite. We cannot find out infinite numbers of rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay friends, how like you will find out that we will see there. There are so many methods are there. So first of all we will discuss about that with the like denominator. If that first whatever the given that rational numbers, you have to make the like denominator. That same denominator you have to make. Then according order wise you can write. So let us discuss and solve. Example 1. Find the rational numbers in between 1 by 6 and 5 by 3. Students, observe students here the denominators are not same. So you have to make first same, similar, like you have to make. Then we can solve it. Let us see. So 1 by 6 the one number and other is 5 by 3. So first of all make it like LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So 1 by 6 is equal to 6 into 1, 1 into 1 is equal to 1 by 6. 5 by 3 is equal to 3 into 2, 5 into 2 is equal to 10 by 6. So now observe students, now I made that 2 both are, one is 1 by 6 and 10 by 6. Now both denominators are same. So that rational numbers will lie between 1 and 10. That numbers, that means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That rational numbers are between in these two rational numbers. Now observe students, what you have to do? 1 by 6, okay, smaller than the next number is succession is 2 by 6. Next 3 by 6. Next 4 by 6. Next 5 by 6. Next 6 by 6, next 7 by 6, next 8 by 6, next 9 by 6, next 10 by 6. Now how many now we got? Observe the students, this many rational numbers we got. Now between the two rational numbers, now 1 by 6 and 10 by 6 are we got now this many rational numbers. Observe students, not only this, again that we can find out that more rational numbers, but it has given that find out that how many rational numbers in between. We cannot find out particularly how many rational numbers. So in this 1 by 6 and 10 by 6, this many rational numbers it has given. So 1 by 6 after we can find out like this. Okay. What you have to do? First you have to make the same denominator. Same denominator after what is the smaller number? 1. Next number 10. So that between 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. These are the rational numbers lie between the two rational numbers. Okay friends, we can take one more examples. And 5 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay friends, 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. So what you have to do? The solution 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. So the LCM, how much students? LCM is equal to 10. So now 1 by 5 is equal to 5 into 2, 1 into 2 is equal to 2 by 10. Next 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 5, 1 into 5 is equal to 5 by 10. So now students, observe students, 5 rational numbers it has given to you, but it came how much? 2 by 5 Okay, next 2 and 5, that between 3 will only there. So what you have to do, you have to multiply again one more. How much you have to multiply? So 5 means 6 multiply, that no problem. 2 into, you can write by 2 by 10 is equal to, what is the number given? Plus 1, you should add and multiply. 10 into 6, 2 into 6. Why you should do? To get the number, increasing the number of rational numbers. So what is the number given? 5. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So 6 multiply for both. 2 into 6 is equal to 12 by 60. Same like it. 5 by 10 is equal to 10 into 6. 5 into 6 is equal to 30 by 60. Same. This is also like fraction. So like rational numbers. Now we got these two rational numbers. We have to see 12 by 60 smaller than 13 by 60, smaller than 14 by 60, smaller than 15 by 60, smaller than 16 by 60, smaller than 17 by 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now one dot smaller than, how much last one? 30 by 60. So this is the 5 rational numbers in between. If is not lie in between, then again you multiply numerator and denominator with the same numbers. Then we can get that best. Okay friends, thank you all of you. You should do same like it. Homework for you. And 5 rational numbers in between 1 by 2 and 5 by 3. Okay friends, thank you all of you.